Low sperm count, low motility, or poor morphology usually isn't one single problem. It's often a chain of problems happening inside the sperm factory. Many supplements focus mainly on antioxidants, and yes, oxidative stress matters. But for many men, antioxidants alone are not enough. It's because sperm quality depends on the whole production line from the first cell all the way to a mature, moving sperm. Low parameters can be linked to oxidative stress, metabolic stress, hormonal signaling problems, and mitochondrial dysfunction. These can show up as weak energy for movement, structural defects in the temperament, problems with DNA packaging, and a stressed testicular environment. That's exactly why Prolistem Plus is different. It was designed as a multi-layer strategy that supports sperm production from start to finish. Why is Prolistem Plus different? First, it supports spermatogenic cell activation and function, and the in helping the testes run the production line consistently. Second, it supports DNA synthesis and maturation of developing sperm cells. This matters because morphology issues often reflect problems during development and packaging. Third, it supports hormonal regulation and sperm maturation. The endocrine signaling that influences spermatogenesis and helps sperm mature properly. Fourth, it strengthens oxidative stress defense to protect fragile developing germ cells from damage supporting membranes, motility, and DNA integrity. Fifth, it supports energy production. Motility is energy hungry, so mitochondrial and ATP support is one of the most intuitive ways to support movement. Prolistem Plus doesn't just support sperm. Supports the factory that makes them multi-pathway, start to finish. When sperm production is under stress, problems don't happen in isolation. They happen across multiple pathways, at different stages, over time. That's why real support can't focus on just one mechanism. It has to support the entire system working together from start to finish. Prolistem Plus is manufactured in the USA in a GMP-compliant, FDA-registered facility. Results may vary, and in some cases, particularly when genetics are involved, improvement can be limited. That's why Prolistem Plus focuses on multi-layer support across the full sperm production process. Learn more at prolistem.com.